So people ask me why I don't like the rain. Here's why. Look at that. That is nothing, but look. I'll go back to my neighbors, but look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Hold on. I'm not even done yet. Look at this. Look at this. I'll get closer. Hold up. See, look at all this. This. That. Just keeps getting worse. I mean, this isn't. I just put some water in it. But dang. Like, bruh. So yeah, puddle. Dirt road. More puddle. There's my chickens. I'll try to run up to them. Hey, chickens! Hey. Yes, this is a good one. Bye-bye for now. Hee. And of course, the grand finale. See, look at that. Psych. That is all water. What the frick?